What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we banged out a 270% gain on, well, you're going to have to watch the video. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this recap here on the day. Now, today was a great day. Honestly, we came into the day and I already knew that there was money to be made, that we were going to make money right out the gate. So there was no way today was going to be a red day in any way, shape, or form because swing trade from Friday worked out beautifully. Those SPY put options were a banger today. Oh, about 270% gain on those. Super, super nice to see. We got in the SPY puts on Friday, 442 strike, today's expiration, okay, at 206. Exited today at 759. Boom! So really happy with that. So then today I was looking for more SPY puts for the day trades. As soon as the bell rang, I looked to close out the position on those SPY puts. And then after that, I was waiting for a bounce back into the 436 area on the SPY, looking for a rejection of that level to grab more puts and ride them to, new sessions low. I thought we'd get more downside, but the reality is the gap down on the SPY was so big that it was a choppy session. Am I red today? No, I am not. Of course not. Am I red on my SPY put option trade? And no, I am not. I'm red on a small portion of it, but the overall trade was green. So I'll show you that trade here in a few minutes. Now we'll jump into the charts. We'll look at the setup and I'll show you my entries and take profits. So we'll have some fun there. The only thing I ask is if you stick around, watch the whole recap, and then at the end, if you learned something, then go ahead and smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the link in the description and comment section for a 5-day trial of the daytraderchatroom.com. You're going to get access to a dashboard video lesson library with over 200 videos. All our courses are on there as well on the dashboard. Now, depending on your tier, obviously you'll get access to more courses, and the yearly members always get access to everything we have to offer at a locked-in price. Of course, there's no upsells for yearly members ever. Okay, now what we're going to do here is jump into those charts and go from there. So I'll see you on the other side. Today's poll results are excellent. Once again, the team as a whole banging out 100% accuracy today, 100% green. No one was red. No one was break even. No one didn't trade. Everyone that voted on the green side today. So that's great to see. All right, guys. So Friday's swing trade, banger of a trade. Or banger of a trade. We got in that one. Let me erase this. We got in that one in the afternoon session and held on to it for the overnight swing, looking for a gap down. 442 strikes, put options on the SPY with today Monday the 20th expiration, and I thought we'd get a gap down here, We kind of gapped down all the way down here. Insane. 270% gain. In from 206, exited at 759. Was a banger of a trade on those SPY put options. So that was great, That was a great entry, great exit. And very happy with that swing trade at this point in time, of course. All closed out. Then, we'll go over the day trades on the SPY today as well. All right, guys, let's jump into the recap portion of the morning here. Looks like the SPY is coming back down there to test the lows. It's actually gotten pretty choppy. I wouldn't be surprised to see it make a new low and then take it back. It's just being very, very choppy, but it's kind of expected after a huge gap down like this. Now, we did great on the SPY. Overnight swing trade over 100% on those SPY puts, nailing this beautifully humongous gap down. All right. Then we had the day trade on the SPY. But this morning, let me bring in the dashboard here to show you what we were watching. SPY, Tesla, ZIVO, EDSA, VSTM were all on the watch list. We also have the weekly watch list, which should be up as well. Weekly watch list. SPY, Rover, KPLT, CRVS. You can see previous week's watch list here as well. And swing trade ideas you can submit here and also review them down here. The dashboard is huge, guys. You got your courses here. Options trading is a must course. You have everything here, direct access to it, okay? So with today looking how
it was looking extremely weak, I came in and I said, guys, this morning what I'm looking for is at the bell, I'm going to be looking to take profits on the swing trade. Should be up nicely on those options. So that was a nice trade. So when I closed that off, I said, all right, guys, now what I'm going to be looking for is I'm going to be looking for a day trade on the SPY or Tesla. You know, ZIVO was on watch. It was one of my favorites, EDSA as well, but I was ultra focused on the SPY. So when we opened up, bang, I took profits right here on my swing trade. And then I told you guys, watch for, I'm going to be watching for the 436 area to hold support. Where do we get that? Well, right here, past support. I'm looking for it to now become resistance, right? This past support, I'm looking for it to now become new resistance. And we break just above it a little bit. And then bang, we get slammed right back down. And I go ahead and enter a starter position in here on SPY puts. So SPY puts, long starter SPY puts 430, what was this, 432, no, 434 strike. 434 strike, expiration 924. I was in at 421. So my first take profit will probably come off somewhere in this area, with follow-ups through the lows if we can get there. Taking another little piece off there for 78. And then right here, let me grab my circle. Right here, I added to the position at 415. So I kind of averaged down on those, but why did I do that? Well, because we broke down, bounced back into that resistance zone, and confirmed resistance. As soon as I saw that confirmation, bang, I added right back on this red candle right here at 415. And then about 7 minutes later, first take profit comes off at 462 on here, on this candle, 462. Then more off at 478. And then more off on this candle right here at 489. Okay, then we get this quick bounce back. And on this candle right here, we get a pretty nice little increase in volume. And I'm like, damn, maybe this is the bounce back here. It's going to maybe break us above VWAP, and then we're going to get choppy. So right here, when we violate VWAP, I stop out of the remainder at 409. And that was it. That was my trade on the day. Unfortunately for me, I got shook out there on that VWAP. And now here we're actually printing lower. So we're going lower here. Now, the reality is the SPY hasn't been the easiest trade today, but that's expected after such a massive gap down. Such a massive gap down. So I was saying, you know, maybe we don't get the push lower until later this afternoon. That's what I thought would probably be the case. Maybe we don't get that push lower until later this afternoon. But right now we are going a little bit lower. You know, I'd expect for the SPY to find some sort of support here in front of this 100-day moving average in that 432 zone. That would be the next area to watch for support on the SPY. You have the 100-day moving average as well as a little structure here. But the reality is that if this thing gets super weak, I can't imagine it coming all the way down here to 426 anytime soon, but it is possible, of course. We got FOMC meetings tomorrow and Wednesday, so we'll see what happens and what they say about tapering. Right now, I'll be watching the SPY, see if it's going to trade a little bit cleaner, and if it is, you know, maybe I'll jump back into some puts. Otherwise, I'm going to let it go. Already made a huge gain overnight and a nice little gain here intraday. So that's it for my trades on the day today.
Guys, well, I'm sitting here on the boat, and this video is coming to an end, and so is the summer. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna miss it here, but I already got the house rented for the winter time, so it's time to make that money and then come back and enjoy it next summer. Let me know your thoughts on today's trades. What did you trade as well? Drop it in the comment section below. Smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.